Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a blog post to a Weebly website. So we're going to log into our Weebly, open our project, then click on settings, then we're going to click on blog. So as you can see, we currently don't have any blogs. So we're going to click there to take us to the blog site and to add as well. So once we're here under page, we're going to click on the plus button. Then as you can see, there's the blog page. You're going to click on it. So it's going to add us a new blog page. You guys can rename it if you want. Then click on done. Then again, we're going to click on settings, go to blog. So here you guys could edit the posts per page. It goes until 25. You guys could edit the post share buttons. You guys could include Facebook and Twitter. Same with the blog sidebar. Then you guys could also edit the comments, the commenting system, and everything about it. Then once you guys are done, you're going to click on the save button on the lower right corner. So our blog has been saved and the blog page has been added. Then you guys could go to your dashboard and see if there's any interaction with your blog. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I have to see you again. Goodbye.